psychological experiment that is worth mentioning here. It's called the ultimatum game. This is what happens in this game. Scientists run this experiment where a person, let's just call this person Adam, is given $10 and then asked to propose how to divide those $10 with another person. Let's call her Eve. Adam can propose whatever division he likes. The only condition is that once he proposes a division, if Eve rejects the proposed division, then neither of them gets anything, and the $10 are lost. Now, let's think about this. What division should Adam offer Eve? And should Eve accept that offer? Now, since Eve is starting out with nothing in her pocket, pure logic would dictate that Adam should just offer Eve a small share, perhaps $1 out of the 10. And Eve should accept it because $1 is better than having nothing in her pocket. If she were to reject the offer of $1, then they both get nothing. And importantly, Eve would end up losing even the dollar that was being offered to her. However, human behavior cannot be explained by pure logic alone. Scientists find that in practice, when they run these experiments, Eve tends to reject small offers from Adam. The reason is that she perceives an offer of $1 as being unfair and mean, and reciprocates with meanness by rejecting the offer, but she also wants to hurt Adam in return for his unfairness. The result is that they are both worse off and they end up getting nothing. On the other hand, if Adam was more generous and voluntarily offered a more equitable division, say $5, Eve would accept that offer and they would both be better off. Now there's another interesting twist to this experiment. If before the experiment Eve is told that the offer from Adam is not of his own choice, but is dictated by a third person, then Eve would accept even small offers like the $1. In other words, Eve instinctively understands the connection between choice and morality. What really matters in this game or experiment is whether Adam has a choice and how he exercises that choice. When Adam exercises his choice generously, he is reciprocated with generosity. When he exercises his choice with meanness, he is reciprocated with meanness as well. Our society needs strong